Already pushed the button. We're rolling.
Yeah,
We're
rolling.
going on our elevator adventure. This is for our friends abroad who don't know what elevators are in their country.
Going inside the
It's
elevator.
a metal box, and you go in.
Has several
Push
buttons.
the floor that you want. I pushed one, which is for the first floor.
That's a star.
Yeah.
And you can do other things like stop it or press that to sound the alarm. Now we're leaving
We're on the first floor.
the elevator. Here's
And ride it back up.
Purell. Oh.
Hold that door. And now we're continuing our adventure home. So what's great about elevators is they go both down and up.
Down and up. 2, 30. And there we are on the 3rd floor. And the end.